how to turn on birthdays push notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on birthdays push notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and here click notifications. Now just click birthdays and turn this one here push, turn it on, and now all you need to do is just go back and it will be saved, and that's how to turn on birthdays push notifications. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.